Hey, girl.
Oh, hey YouTube. It's your girl Bree Ward, back with a video. From all the motherfucking takes. Hey honeys, it's Bree Ward, back with another video. And this is Rhea, my little cousin. And we are going into the beauty supply to grab some, yeah, we're doing that. I'm going to the beauty supply to grab some dye so I can dye my clip-ins, okay? So come with me to Johnny's beauty supply. Okay. Let's go inside. Come on, go inside. When you cannot say my name,
You can put music over this part.
Okay, so here's a hair dye. The one that I wanted to get was honey blonde. I want to get like a blonde mixture or whatever. So I'm going to mix up golden ginger, L'Oreal Excellence. Whoop, whoop. I'll show you guys more better. More better.
English.
Yeah. English class.
A, B, F maybe?
0? Who knows? You know? Okay, so I got golden ginger, honey blonde. And then I have vanilla champagne. Both of them by L'Oreal Excellence. Oh, ooh, look at her muscles. Oh, she's... Say hi. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to get developer. This is what I saw. What I'm supposed to use because I don't know what I'm doing.
Period, poo.
And so the developer, we're going to get 40. And then
Wait a minute. You gotta get the one that's $3.99. How much is that one?
Check me, girl. Check me. Here we go. The oxygen.
Period, poo. Period.
So we're gonna get the one that's $3.99.
Because
the one that's $4.99. And we need something to mix this up. So we're going to get
You told me to look over that all day.
this and this, and we'll get some aluminum foil later because I want highlights. So I am doing all of this because I take my headshots next week, and I'm going to update y'all on a video of the outfits. But right now we're getting the hair shit, okay? So just roll with it, and that's what we're doing. We headed to the register. So you never can have to look off. You can't have your hair done. You can look smart glossy, okay?
Why you not getting this kind?
It's only about 3 of them left.
Get them out. All of them too. Take one of hers.
I knew you would. Okay, so this is good. Hold on, wait a minute.
Get her.
I got all my goodies, and now I'm about to go home and show y'all what's good.
But
You guys, I'm back 3 days later trying to finish this video, okay? And I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this, okay? But I'm gonna do it. And y'all need to just watch me do it. Anyway, whatever. So today I'm going to be dyeing my clip-ins for Saturday. If you don't know, I said it a million times, I am taking my first ever headshots on Saturday, okay? Expensive headshots, the best ones that I'm probably gonna ever got, and smoke. It's gonna be the good ones, the real good ones. So I'm gonna put my all into this. I'm about to dye these extensions to give me like a pop to my face because my skin tone look really good with like blondes and stuff. I need to take my hair down. I need to take it down. So I'm glad I'm doing this tonight. So let me get this wrapped up and show y'all the hair that I have, and it is called Amazing Beauty Extension. Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. And I saw one of the YouTubers that I follow using the same hair extension, and I don't know exactly her name at this moment, but I'm sure I'll link it down at the bottom. But I saw her using these and I was like, shoot, let me try them out. So I went to Amazon and I purchased these. They were really cheap, and I want to say like 160. They're 100% human hair. And I purchased Kinky Curly 16 and 18 inch. This right here is a 16 inch and it looks really, really pretty. Oh, don't you wish your girlfriend was like me? All right, it's time for me to go tie these because your girl is tripping out. Okay, so bam, this is it. Come with me to do this. Also, I finally made it to the freaking kitchen to start dyeing these dang on clip-ins, y'all. So I put them out flat on some aluminum foil just to make sure I have like some even distribution going on, no particular order. And now I'm going to start mixing some stuff up. Okay, so here I am mixing up the actual dye with the developer, and I got 40 volumes, so I'm gonna put about half a cup in there, half a cup in this one too, and I'm gonna mix it up, mix it. Okay, all right. Seriously, use the same spoon for this different color. I don't know if that was okay, but that's what I did because I only had one brush. Making messes, wiping up, mix it. This one was a little bit thicker than the other one, but it's all good. Still turned out like applesauce. Little tap, tap. Oop, let's get to it. Now I started putting it on this. I started putting the color on this darn track, and it just didn't work right. All right, a little thick there. It's a little thick. All right, we're gonna speed this up because this is taking too long. So I ended up with them looking like this. I set them inside aluminum foil. You guys, I just mixed these colors up and I just did whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean up now and we'll come back in 40 minutes. Bye. All right, so I just slapped the freaking track over the sink and just start rinsing it out. You know, no special way that I did this. And yeah, I'm gonna rinse out the dye until there's no more, and then I'll go ahead and start throwing some conditioner on there in about, I want to say 20 seconds. So yeah, it looks like that when it's wet. A little darker than I wanted, and that's all good. You know, it's first time. Next time it'll be a little bit better. All right. So I did this for quite some time. I just wanted to make sure the dye was like completely out of the freaking hair. So now I'm about to use VO5 conditioner, which I got from the dollar store. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm on a budget. So I did what I had to do. Oh, it's a little, oh, is that a tangle? I'm not sure what that was. Squeeze it out a little bit. Squeezy. Okay, let me just throw some of this VO5 on her. Oh, hell. Oh my God. No direction. Please don't do that at home. I just wasted a bunch of conditioner, but it was only $1, so I guess I got carried away. So just don't even. Oh, wow. So after I put the conditioner on her, it looks really pretty. I don't know if y'all have ever used VO5 for conditioner, but that stuff works really freaking good for $1. So with this hair, there was some shedding, but it's all good. Only a little bit came out. Well, you cannot say my name. I am not the one. I am not the one. Well, you cannot say my name. I am not the one. You guys, I just finished dyeing these damn clip-ins and I am tired, okay? that was one hell of an experience. And I think there's a lot that I learned this time when dyeing. I used two separate colors, and next time I will get two of each color because I had 2 packs of clip-ins and I ran out, so I added more developer and I'm not sure what that did. Anyway, my clip-ins turned out a lot darker than I expected. I wanted them to be really blonde, so I guess I should have used bleach. But you know, they cute. They'll do for this time for headshots, and I may post a video later on about how to put them in and the final look of mine. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch y'all later.